Welcome to Livermore Ford Lincoln, the Bay Area's premier Ford dealer. And here's a look at another one of our quality pre-owned vehicles from our large selection, and comes equipped with leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, heated front seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, parking sensors, Amazon Alexa, rear spoiler, auto high beam headlamp control, electronic stability control, steering wheel controls, and has less than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Every vehicle is put through a rigorous inspection and reconditioning process by our highly trained technicians, using only certified OEM parts, guaranteeing you the highest quality vehicle possible. Livermore Ford Lincoln is your ideal destination for all of your automotive needs. Come visit us at 2266 Kittyhawk Road in Livermore. Your next vehicle is waiting.